our Igbo class. It will be my pleasure to make you speak Igbo effortlessly. I am passionate on spreading my language. I don't have another one. This is my first language. I don't even know it 100%. But I come to regard my language since I've left my country, my homeland. So the struggle of learning other people's language made me to know that there is a language that I don't need to learn the way I learn other ones. I've been in Lagos, I've been learning Yoruba, trying to learn Hausa, then leaving my country, start to learn German, learn little French. All these have been a struggle. But I remember people want to learn my language. I remember teaching it to some people. The joy that they started to follow up was huge in my heart. I got a message on Facebook, someone asking me, how about numbers? Remember that I have not done this video, you see. So today I'm gonna take you to numbers count, or in Igbo language we call it onu ogogo. Ogogo means count, and therefore we are gonna do from 1 to 10. It will be nice because I'm gonna give you from a different dialect. You may hear the same number count from someone else and they will sound different, but in this video I'm gonna give you briefly from different dialect perspectives. So stick to the end, I will give you bonus. Thank you. Now we have 1, and in Igbo language it is called otu. I repeat, otu. Another dialect will say ofu. Otu or ofu meaning 1. We have number 2. In Igbo is abo, abo, or ibo, ibo, or ibwa, ibwa, or ebo, ebo. All these are from different dialect sounds. We have a lot of dialects in Igbo, maybe more, but these are the ones that I know or I could remember. If you know even one, you are okay. Abwa, abo, ibwo, abwa, ebo. Yeah, this is number 2. So we go to number 3, and number 3 in Igbo will be ato, ito, eto. So ato, ito, eto. All these are number 3. So we are heading to number 4. Number 4 in Igbo is ano, ino, eno. So when you hear this, they may sound the same, but if you know one, it's okay. Ano, ino, eno. Now let's head to number 5. Number 5, I could remember only one. Ise, ise. That's number 5. And let's quickly go to number 6. Number 6 in Igbo, isi, ishi, ishi, isi, ishi. That's number 6. And let's quickly go to number 7. Number 7 is isa, esa, isa or esa, not esa, rather Esa. Take the sound that you hear from me. Esa. Isa. This is how it should sound. The one that I know. That is number 7. Let's go to number 8. Number 8 has at least 3 that I noted. Asato. Asato. Or esato. Esato. Or isato. Isato. Asato. Esato. Isato. This is number 8. You choose one of them. Okay. Let's go to number 9. Number 9 is somehow a struggle because a lot of people don't know they are up to 3 or more. So number 9 in Igbo is itenani. Itenani. Or itegete. Itegete. Or iteolu. Iteolu. That is number 9. And the number 10, last but not the least, is iri. Iri. The end of the day. Watch the next video and you will see the continuation from 11 to 20. Probably you want to learn more, but I will want you to repeat the ones you just heard, because if you don't repeat them, I guess you will struggle, trying to remember them later. So that when you repeat them, you will memorize and get them in your system. We bring today's number 1 to 10 to the end. I'll be happy if you comment down below, request for a topic you want us to do. But for the moment, I will say remain blessed and bye. Thank you for watching.